Welcome to Finance Simplified. Today we'll see some major down payments with their EMI options available to finance all 5 variants of MG Gloster. These are on-road prices, ex-showroom prices, RTO charges, insurance charge and other charges on different variants of the all-new MG Gloster while financing from any showroom. We have shown 5 different cases with different down payments and their resulting EMI, which can be paid in 5 years and 6 years options. All EMI for different down payment cases are shown at bottom of table with 5 years and 6 years options, and the total amount which will be paid in that time interval excluding the down payment is shown at bottom of the table for each EMI option and for each variant of MG Gloster. Thanks for watching. And watch our other videos to analyze more.